Hello everyone, this is SheShe. Welcome to my channel. To all my new subscribers, I hope you subscribe. I hope you say. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining me today. Here I have some products from kscraft Lover Store. I'm showcasing today this beautiful high heel shoe. It comes with a left and right heel shoe, and it has all the different pieces to make it a 3D different look. And I made some shoes, as you can see, like some embellishments. The smallest set, it measures about 1.5 by 1.5 inches. Really beautiful. Hope you can see that. I cut it out in glitter and pink. So this is the card example I have to inspire you. And as always, I'll link the products in the description box below. It goes to a website called Aliexpress, in case you did not know. And then there's also a bigger set. I didn't get a chance to cut that out, but it has the same concept. This particular set measures 2.25 by 2.5 inches. And these are all the pieces that you can cut out to make the exact same shoe. All right, so that's the first set I want to showcase. This next card, it's a beautiful card, and it showcases what's hot right now, the slim cards. I didn't get a chance to get on the bandwagon last year when it was hot, but I am here to show my first set of slim cards. So I have the slim card set. It's the basic set with stitching. It comes with 6 dies. The largest die to make your slim cards measures 4.25 by 9.25. Okay, so that's all I know as far as the largest one. I didn't measure all of them, but you can go to the website and get all the measurements for all the dies. So I use that to make a frame, and I also use this background die. So there's lots of backgrounds and different looks on their website, but this is what I was sent to share with you and inspire you. So this coffee cup, which is adorable, comes with the spoon and the coffee cup, and then there's like all kinds of ideas I can share with you on different things you can make with the coffee cup set. So I'm just going to share with you some of the things that I came up with, but there are so many more possibilities that you can just run and use your imagination. So there's shaker cards, coffee cups you can make. I didn't get a chance to make one, but there is this particular die right here that you can cut to make a frame to make your shaker. So I just wanted to point that out. There's a small, medium, and large coffee cup. So these are the different sizes I wanted to show. And then as you can see, the largest cup was on my slim card. So here's the medium, different looks, and then this is the smallest one. You can also make a slushy with a straw, really cute. It has the die to make the sleeve, and then you can do different looks. You can do the big hearts, medium hearts, or you can use this little heart that goes on the spoon as your little emblem on the sleeve if you like. There's also a little die for the steam, which I didn't get to use. It looks like this. There's one in small, medium, or large. So it just has so many different possibilities. They're endless. I looked at the sleeve and I said, you know what? You can make a cupcake with what the slushy part looks like and put that together. And I just cut a little slit, put a heart in there, and then I came up with a little cupcake. So you can make small, medium, or large cupcakes if you like. So I was just looking at it and thought, hey, why not get the most out of this set and do more things? So I'm sure there's more possibilities. If you look at all these different pieces, you can make little emblems probably in the sleeve and come up with different logos on your coffee cups or slushies, not just for steam. Just some ideas I wanted to throw in there in case you were brainstorming while I'm talking. So again, I'll link these products in the description box below just to give you a way to reach the website in case you want to purchase them. This next card is also a slim card, and it showcases this particular set of hearts, X's and hearts border. It embosses, and then this background. I really love this heart background. It's so pretty. And I made a frame, and my card, it says hello lovely, and I thought this came out so pretty. Hopefully you can see that. I'm sorry if it's not fitting completely in the frame. These cards are really large. They're 9 1/4 by by 4 1/4. So they're really large, so maybe hard to fit everything in there, but hopefully you can see the entire card. So it embosses this beautiful border, if you can see that, going around the edge. And I just made a frame with these dies, and then I put that heart in the background. So that's that set right there. Those two I used together. And then this next slim card, I used that X's and hearts border again, and I used this lady set, and they have a hope still, the sentiment like a boss. And then this lady, this diva, she has lots of attitude. It comes with shorts and a top, which I didn't use, but it does come with a pantsuit, 2 different purses, and her hairstyle, and a left and right shoe. So this is how she looks put together, and this is my diva card. This card I tried to put as far off into the background so it doesn't look like she's a big, huge person. So that's, I hope you can see that, and it doesn't look like she's a giant. But yeah, that's my diva card, like a boss. Thought she was adorable. So I'll also post the links to her in the description box below. Hopefully that sentiment is still available. And then also I have this heart and bow treat topper. The heart goes in the center, or you can not have it as a center. You can make some kind of embellishment like this go in the center. It looks really cute as well. But I thought this was adorable too. And this is how it looks on the back, so you know it's a treat topper. What you could do is cut this out twice, and you can make the bow on the back too if you don't like that on the back. Just some ideas. But I thought this was an adorable set as well. And then last but certainly not least is the heart treat topper, and you can use that for your treats. I just use that as an example, these little heart embellishments, so you get an idea of how this looks put together. You can also do this treat topper as a shaker if you want, but I just layered it and put this banner as the embellishment with a bow. I cut it out multiple times so I get all these different layers to layer it up, and also make this a two-tone. So that's how it turned out, and it also is a piece for the back. You can decorate the back too if you wanted to. So that is my share for today for the kscraft Lover store. Again, if I didn't say it enough, links are in the description box below where you can find these fabulous products to make the same products the same inspirational crafts I made today. If you have any questions, post those in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Take care, and as always, have a fabulous day.